Your drawing does not have to be perfect. It just needs to be unique. Our house will be perfect for fun and adventure. Let's add a cute little door. Let's make a rainbow roof of our beautiful house. Our house needs some windows. Yes, you got this. Our cute little house looks so adorable. Adding some fences to the house. A house should always have a beautiful tree. Every tree is unique, just like you. Say hello to our happy little son. Here comes the cloud. Adding a cute little chimney. It's almost ready. Now it's time to paint. Yellow. Blue. Bright red. Pink. Blue. Brown for our chimney, fences, and our cute tree. Light green. Dark green. Light blue. Yellow. Gray. Look at this beautiful green garden. Our colorful magical house looks so beautiful. Glitter time. Bye-bye. If you like this video, video. Subscribe for weekly videos.